Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Blair from Barbie as the Princess Charm School in the uniform look in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this, and then I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle, but you can toggle it to bangs only, and this one, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment. You can adjust it like this: position, rotate, and scale for this hairstyle. And you're going to choose this hairstyle as well, and you're going to remove the bangs. And for the color, you can color it with this color. This is for the color code, and then you're going to put on this item, color it pink, and also this ribbon, color it pink, make it glitter, and choose the type 2. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room, and I'm going to select this suit, this one, and then we're going to color it pink and also blue for the tie. Okay, wait, I'm going to color it with this pink color. Oops, sorry, for the first selection, you're going to make it white, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it this pink color and make it pink for the strip, and for the tie, you're going to make it blue, and for the last selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then we're going to change the material to glitter, especially for the third selection and also the second selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the skirt area. It's here. I'm going to select the skirt and also this one, and then we're going to color it with the pink color. Wait, let me color it pink, the same pink color we have applied before. And I'm going to select this item. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to select this boot, this one, and I'm going to make it knee length, and again we're going to make it pink. All right, and then I'm going to select this sleeves, and I'm going to make it this pink color, and again I'm going to make it glitter. All right, and I'm going to go to the changing room, which is right here, and I'm going to select the coats item. Okay, go to the coats, and I'm going to select this jacket and choose the top only. And for the pattern, I'm going to apply this pattern, and I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to select this coat as well, but I'm going to choose the toggle 4, and I'm going to color it with this pink color and make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the chains. All right. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the coats item and select this boot, and then I'm going to make it this pink color. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Blair in the uniform outfit and Dress to Impress. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.